and stars they went. Morning sun was dead. The Savior of the world was falling. His body on the cross, his blood poured out for us. Weight of every curse upon him.
Alright guys, we've arrived at Bear Down with Ken in the background. If you could pick him up. Where is he? There he is. Ken. Alright, let's see what happens. Tends to be boggy around that area, tend to go slightly left. Gets a bit slippy on there, just be a bit careful. The river. Catch you in a bit, guys. Hi guys, I'm going to set up the tarp. A change of plan because we've got some DV guys over there. So I'm going to set up the tarp of this one to this one because it's 4x4 and it's less boggy here. So obviously the working shelf will be over there, probably. So this tree here. Alright. That one there, about there guys. I'm going to do a time lapse, so see you in the next clip.
I'm alive, but I'm barely breathing. It's alright, it's not meant to be easy. It's the dark caving in again. It's crippling me. How can we just turn around, close our eyes as it all burns down? How do we begin again?
Alright guys, I've done the tarp just at the 4 corners, reinforced the corners with some big blocks. This tree here, if you can see, I just put this on here. I just want to take a rest. I'll do the rest of the guy rope, so let's have a look. This is a new place to put the tarp, so Ken's done this there. Not sure where. Ken's got a windbreak as well, which is there. I've only got 29 minutes of battery left, so I'll change the battery when I get in the car. Right, catch you in a bit, guys. Right guys, this is a lovely Ken from Adventure Outdoors.
Adventure Outdoors?
Adventure Madness Outdoors.
Hello, Adventure Madness Outdoors.
Adventure Madness UK. GoPro, stop recording.
No, that was brilliant. That was fucking brilliant. Because I was messing around. No, it's still recording anyway.
Oh, fuck it.
No, keep it on. Fuck it. What are you doing? Carl keeps adjusting the angle, and now he's moved, so I just got to double check anyway. He keeps moving. He thinks that the front screen is square format, so you don't get the edges. But anyway, sorry Carl, your video. I'm terrible for taking over. Don't listen to Carl, just listen to me. It's all about me. I'm a terrible narcissist, so just listen to me. Right, take two.
Anyway, I'm going to keep that first bit in. Anyway, this is lovely Ken from Adventure Madness UK. He's done a meet up with me today. Originally it was Tynehead Farm, but this weather ain't going to happen.
No.
So they got some DV guys over there who normally do pitch up there, normally pitch up over there, but just for a little bit of adjustment, we're dry. We're going to put the tents up next, but I just thought just do a little vlog. And then Ken's one is something I don't like, so I've given it to him.
So he's giving it to me.
Mine's the usual rapscallion, which is there. This goes out to Tree, actually, my manager, who's soon to retire. Thank you very much, Tree. You're such a lovely person. God bless. I'll send you the link to this video so you can see you've done a lot for me. A lot. You're a good person, mate. It'd be a shame for you to go, but you're going to retire, so you're going to be missed, especially by me. Thanks, Tree. Cheers, guys.
I don't really do lagers and beers and stuff because I'm a bit of a fruity person, whatever that sounds like.
Yeah, I like this one.
So we'll give this a try.
It's not a beer review, it's just a vlog.
No, it's just a laugh, isn't it? A vlog. Right, well I can smell chocolate. But I can also smell the beery, ale-y smell.
How many percent is that then?
Not enough.
5.7 one.
5.2. This one's 5.2.
That's strong enough.
So is that 5.2 for the whole can, or is that 5.2 on average? It's average, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so if you had a big can like that and drunk 3-4 of them, you'd know about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely disgusting.
How is it? Honestly.
Disgusting.
I don't like it.
I'm not gonna lie, I have one of the chaps walking past. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the taste of alcohol in any form. But what I do like is getting drunk when it's appropriate, like times like this. Not too drunk, that's stupid. I'm not in my 20s. But yeah, personally, like I'm a bit of an alco pops drinker. But if someone's giving me free beer, I'm not going to complain what it is. Especially on a wet and cold day like today down here in Dartmoor. It was Carl's idea to drag me out in the rain. And I'm terrible. I love being on camera and having a laugh and taking the piss, and I need to shut up because this is Carl's vlog and not mine.
No, it's a joint vlog.
It's a joint vlog. Well, carry on then. So for tea, what we got for tea? We got steaks for tea because it's Carl's birthday tomorrow, so we're going to celebrate it early and have steaks for dinner. We might have some mushrooms. We'll come back on that video anyway. I mean, we'll video that anyway, and that's what we're going to do, right?
Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'll move all this stuff out the way because I'm giving it's going to be quite an emotional moment.
Doesn't need to be emotional.
I always get like this when
Just deal with it.
Because in the beginning, Ken looked at all my Facebook videos that I've done in the past, especially places like this. He said, why don't you make YouTube videos? Oh, I don't really know. It's like, here you go, here's the editing program. I said, oh, it's not working, so I gave him my laptop details. He went, oh, you've only got a 32-bit?
Yeah.
32-bit, so Vegas 11, and oh my god, the stuff that I've created and looking at YouTube and trying to get tutorials how to do things has really, really helped my mental health. And like today, as I come in, and I wanted to get the shot driving into Dartmoor, especially going over the River Dart, and I wanted to come in as literally as it opened up, and then I'm already envisioning going, I want this in the shot, I want to take this, and then obviously when I take shots, when I came in, I've done a cinematic shot, that's going to be an intro, that's not for then and now, and obviously I've done a time lapse, which is a slowed down version of this, because I don't need a long version of putting the tarp on. It takes ages. So every time I edit, I think, how can I do this better? How can I do this better? Shorten this down, make this a little bit longer. So the only thing I will keep long is my vlogs, because at the end of the day, it's off the cuff. I try to keep them down to at least 15 minutes a go, but every time I edit, then I evolve. Every time I edit, then I get better. Every time I edit, how can I do this better?
Yeah.
But because of Ken, that is the catalyst of why I've done YouTube. And in the beginning is when I've already explained to you this before, Ken. I was having a breakup. I was sat in my friend's house who put me up, saw the video Ken originally with Scottish Wanderer and with Chris going to Fernworthy, and I went to Fernworthy. Then I done my first wild camp in Tynehead Farm. Full circle, I'm doing a meet up with the guy who actually influenced me to go out. So that's a small world. So to say I'm going to do this on camera, to say thank you.
He's got £400 for me.
Say thank you. He's gonna have this tent for free. I've got the Lanshan to upgrade from this because this is okay, but the Lanshan has 2 vegetables and it's the same weight as this. This is only 1 kilo, and I know that you've already mentioned it on camera that you have been burgled and you haven't got many tents. So hopefully this has only been used maybe full time. And this is for you, Ken, to say thank you.
Thank you, Carl.
For helping me, mate.
Thank you, Carl.
I mean that. That's without the camera.
No,
That's without the camera, because my partner said to me, she's probably going to watch this, oh, why are you giving them a tent? Oh, it costs money. It's not about money. I wanted to keep this tent, and when I've got the upgraded Lanshan, I want to give this tent to someone who needs it. I don't want to sell it. I want to give it to someone who needs it, who hasn't got the tent that they need. I haven't got a lightweight tent. I'm not going to use it. It's collecting dust. Give it to someone, and then when I was thinking one day as I was driving, actually Ken could do with this. I'll give it to him when we do a meet-up. And months later,
I always want to try one of these, and I will cherish this, and I really appreciate it, and thank you very much.
there's some cons to it. There's no vents in there. And
There's
in
no
the,
cons to
in
tents,
the cold, you've got that, literally, that draft coming in. I was here in January 2020, I think, and it was icy everywhere. I was camped over there, and it was cold, but I persevered with it.
It's probably not the tent to use in the cold, to be honest.
No. But
it's a lightweight 3-season tent.
It will get cold tonight, I promise you. But with the army issue Arctic sleeping bag and the appropriate stuff, you'd be like sleeping under a tarp.
I'm not concerned at all. I've done this for quite some time now, and I find that for me, it's not that I can't save up and buy a £300 wrap sleeping bag. It's I do not want to spend £300 on a sleeping bag. So I got an Army Arctic one for the winter. They call it a bouncing bomb, and it's more than I need.
I stepped it up by buying, and I saved up for it. I bought the Snug Pack Tactical 3, which is -7 comfort rating, which matches the same.
I just laughed, and the beer went up on my glasses. That you can't pay for that. That's classic.
It matches the same as a Snug Pack, same as the Arctic sleeping bag.
Is that right?
A lot lighter. It's a lot lighter.
That might be my next purchase.
It's £100. I bought it for £130 off tactical, nice tactical something. I can't remember what it is. Something tactical. But you can get it for £135, and then you've got the tactical 4, which goes up to -12 comfort rating, but it's heavier.
Well, the bouncing bomb, the Army Arctic sleeping bag, I did have fleece trousers on, fleece top. I had a down jacket, and I had like these snowboarding fleece trousers on, and I got into the bag. It was -17 up at Ben Nevis, and or Glen Nevis. I didn't go up Ben Nevis, sorry, I just want to rectify that. Glen Nevis, the foot of Ben Nevis, in I think it was like December, and yeah, it got to -17. That was all right. So thank you, Carl. I've always wanted to try one of these, and I will cherish it. I do appreciate that. And have you got your knife and forks that I got you?
I'll show you that tomorrow.
I'll show you that tomorrow. So
I didn't want it to get wet.
yeah, I'm quite even though a lot of people don't think it, I'm quite a personal person, and I keep myself away from a lot of people because of a lot of the shit I've been through. But also I do have
I can actually swear on this because it's my channel.
I do have a lot of you can't
There's
fucking
a lot of
bullshit.
fucking cunts out
Cunts,
there.
wankers, fucking pricks, thieving bastards. I do have a lot of good friends, but last year 2 guys entered my house and took a lot of my stuff, along with camping stuff. They even pissed in my wardrobe. Yeah, they pissed in my wardrobe. They took Adidas trainers, they took a suit. They took my some brand new underwear and socks I hadn't used. They took that as well. But anyway, it was a bit of a shit time, and at that kind of time, really, Carl came along and was being quite nice to me on YouTube, and I thought, what's this weirdo want? Here's another one, because I had a really bad experience with this guy who fucked up my my job.
He's a weirdo.
He is a weirdo. So if you're watching this, he was called the Bipolar Camper on YouTube. If you're watching this, mate, you really fucked up my life, and you sent me text messages saying I fucked up yours, but I didn't turn up in a nightclub while you were DJing and do drugs and get thrown out. So yeah, to just keep your eyes open for weirdos on YouTube. But luckily Carl's turned out not to be a weirdo. I'm more weird than he is, but it's been all right, hasn't it? And cheers, Carl.
Cheers.
Cheers to getting the fire going, warming up, and I'm changing my clothes because I'm flipping cold now. And we'll come back to you at some point. Carl took about an hour, maybe 2 hours to put the tarp up. That's because he was concerned about it getting windy and blowing down while we were under it.
It's just because we were talking, it took longer.
Oh, so that's my fault, is it?
No, it's because once I talk, that's it, it's all over me.
Yeah, and me. I talk all the time anyway, so.
Right, I'm going to keep... let me check the time. It is... So I'll keep that short, 13 minutes. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Ken. God bless, mate.
So that's meant to be God bless you too, sir.
Cheers.
That's meant to be a chocolate one, and I was actually expecting it to be like a chocolate milk drink for you know, like hot chocolate.
Yeah. Neapolitan's like that.
But it's nothing like that.
Neapolitan's nicer.
It's just a little aftertaste.
Alright guys, I'll catch you later because this is going to go on for hours. I'll catch you later. I'll see you in the next bit when we set the tents up.
Oh, by the way, check out Scottish Wanderer on YouTube. He was the one that enticed me into making YouTube videos. Like Carl said that I was enticing him. My site is Adventure Madness UK, and don't forget, of course, if you see this on my site, this is the great Southern Woodsman UK.
Thanks guys. It's not on.
It is on, look. You said GoPro ready, and it turned itself on. Yeah. See the red bit? It's flashing. Right, here we go then. Right, normally in wind I'd be concerned, so I'd stick this in my pocket, but at the moment we'll just put it here.
I'm going to move out of the way.
Right, you move out of the way. And that's tied to that, so we'll just put that like that.
I'm going to go out there and film.
You go out there. No, you don't need. Just put it on ultra wide.
Right guys, I'm going to put this on time lapse, okay? Next scene, time lapse.
Begin again. Can we just begin again from here again? Can we still come back again? It can't be the sometimes it's hard to feel again. Can we just begin again to live again?
So this has been done under the tent, so Ken's going to crack on and put the pegs in. I don't want to obviously do it for him because it's not the same as doing it yourself. Catch you in a bit guys.
Can we just begin again to live again? It's the dark caving in again. It's crippling me. How can we just turn begin again, to live again.
And there's Ken, his tent's done. Now it's my turn. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my tent, so I'm going to do it here. There. Alright guys, this is the area that I'm going to be putting up the Naturehike camping to. So this is less boggy, the rest of it's all boggy. So I'll catch it a bit. Guys, tent set up. I've got switch system out, and then, well, take some stuff out the Bergen and then see how it goes. Alright guys, catch you later. I'll show you the tent afterwards. Catch you in a bit guys.
sing hallelujah, we sing hallelujah. We sing hallelujah, the Lamb has overcome. We sing hallelujah, we sing hallelujah. Oh, forever He is glorified. Forever He is lifted high. Forever He is risen. He is alive. He is alive.